Hi there. In this tutorial I am going to design the nut. How to design the nut. So much This is so much easy to design the nut in Solidworks. In this tutorial we see how to design the mm, nut, metal nut. This is so easy to design the nut in Solidworks. Um, as as per previous video, you learned many things. In this video you have to learn to design the nut. First of all, you have to create the geometry. For creation of geometry, you have to go to the plane. You have to select the front plane, and you have to select the circle, then draw circle in the geometry section. The diameter of the small circle is 12, and this is the polygon section. This 1 2 3 4 5 6 parameter polygon, and this diameter, and the circle coincide this polygon. This circle diameter is 18 mm. Okay, now come to the feature boss extrude. Okay, you have to extrude the feature. Blind section. Extrude up to 10 mm. Okay, then come to the next sketch. Next sketch is this. Draw, and after that you have to select the plane on that place. See, on that place. Okay, then you have to select another sketch, and on that plane you have to create this type of figure on this. Okay, then select the spiral, command, then after creating the spiral, you have to complete with your design with cut sweep. Okay, then done. See, this type. Now it's complete, and thanks for watching my video, and please like, share and subscribe my video for more video tutorials.